Welcome to Iron World Fencing's manufacturing plant in Laurel, Maryland. I'm Richard Stellabuto, and today you'll experience why our iron fencing is leading the industry in quality and durability. Let's get started. Here at Iron World, we manufacture our iron fencing gates from raw steel. It enters our facility in heavy rolls of flat coil stock. Our tube mill machine then takes that flat steel and makes tubing, posts, and pickets of all shapes and sizes. Once the steel has been formed, the posts and pickets are then cut to size and drilled for the coating process. Next, our iron fencing gate components are prepared for powder coating with a 5-stage cleaning process to remove all dirty grease and oils from our iron. This process assures our finish won't peel and won't crack, and we back this with a 20-year manufacturer warranty. After the iron has been chemically cleaned, rinsed, chemically cleaned, and rinsed again, it is topped off with a phosphate coating to the already added galvanized protection. The material then enters the dry-off oven to remove all moisture from the pores of the steel. Now, our purified iron is ready for powder coating. Our powder coating machine is one of the largest in manufacturing. It's over 1,200 feet in length and contains 12 robotic reciprocating guns. To assure top quality control of the powder coating process, 2 manual gun technicians inspect the final coat of all material. We spare no expense in making sure our product is 100% powder coated. Over here, our fence panels are being assembled. Pickets are being put into channels and accessories are then added. All of our components are installed with rivets that have a 1,500-pound brake load per rivet. Our fencing is 100% weld-free, which prevents rust problems down the road and allows our fencing to be racked during installation to follow the terrain conditions. Here is where we assemble our iron gates. We can make any style swing gate or slide gate up to 65 feet in length. We also build custom designed gates for your specifications. Now we're ready to package. Special care is given this important process. We wrap our product in a polyethylene bag and shrink wrap it with heat. This assures no contaminants enter the packaging and prevents scratches and abrasions from occurring in transit. We own and operate our own fleet of trucks and pride ourselves in delivering our iron fencing to locations nationwide, in most cases within 2 weeks from the date of order. Supplying fence installers with the best quality product assures you the best project results and happy customers.